So in this video we are going to try to make a Vietnamese chicken soup. In front of you I have yellow onions that are cut in half. I have a ginger, I have a piece of ginger. I'm going to roast this in a 400 degrees oven for an hour. Along with that we have 2 liters of chicken stock. We have some fish sauce. We have star anise, fennel, coriander, clove, cinnamon, green cardamom. We also have rock sugar, pepper, and salt for seasoning. So first things first, we're going to put our onions as well as our ginger into a 400 degree oven for an hour just to get some color, and we're going to try to char everything, and then we need to do that ahead of time because it's going to take some time. So with the frying pan heated, I'm just going to toss in some of the spices so we can toast some of our spices. So that's cinnamon, star anise, cardamom, coriander, fennel, and cloves. So the hot pan, we're just going to toast it until it's fragrant. So after roasting our onions and the ginger in a 400 degree oven for about an hour, we're gonna add that into our pot. I just broke ginger in half. I'm gonna peel off the skin, the outer skin of the onions, and I'm gonna put them back in. Okay, so a little bit of color. Next, I'm going to add roughly 2 liters of chicken stock. I'm going to add the spices. A handful of cilantro. And I'm going to bring this to a boil, and I'm going to simmer for roughly half an hour. So as you can see, it's starting to come to a boil. So what I want to do, I just want to skim away the impurities, and then we're just going to let that simmer for roughly half an hour. So after half an hour of simmering, we're going to season our soup. We're going to add a little bit of this rock sugar. Just a couple pieces. And add a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And I'm going to add fish sauce as well. Okay. After that, we're going to give it a stir. We're going to give it a taste, and then we'll continue to season until we get the right flavor. So once we finish seasoning and we have the right flavors, so all we have to do now is strain it. And then we'll reserve this stock or chicken soup for our noodles.